Hey guys, welcome back to the RV8 Pilot. In the last video that I took Trisha down to Midway Airport for her to catch her Southwest flight, you may have noticed that the audio recordings on there were a bit scratchy at times and were picking up some static. That was my fault. I had changed where the audio pickup was coming from. Before I had it going to the camera that faces the passenger seat because I put a separate headphone jack directly below on that side of the aircraft so I could run a wire directly to it, keep all the cables nice and clean. I decided to change that input to the camera that faces me up in the front, so I ran the cable up through the instrument panel, made it nice and clean and secured it so you can't see it. But what I didn't do was change the audio input settings on that camera. I didn't change the cameras because I have marked each one of my cameras on the bottom with a silver Sharpie, so I knew which one went where for the wing and the tail and the passenger and so on. So I hooked it up to the camera that faced me that I never messed with the audio input. So that was my bad. Anyways, this flight video here is of me just doing a little bit of testing. It's about 17 minutes or so. I did a couple takeoff and landings for you. I did the view from the wing facing aft and the one facing me, and did a couple different setting inputs to try it out, make sure everything looked good, as well as putting in the charger cable. So the dongle that I bought from GoPro plugs into the camera and has a 3.5 millimeter input for microphone or mic case picking up the inputs that we hear. And it also has a USB-C port on it as well, so I could do some charging. I didn't know if that would affect the charging and the audio input at the same time. So anyways, this flight was just to do a little bit of test, so take a look at it. All right, thanks guys. Appreciate all the support. Bye.
Yeah, you're funny.
We're doing it! We're doing it!
All right, test. All right, test. All right, I'm gonna do a little test here of the microphone and line in. So what I have it set, and with the charging cable going in. I don't know if it's gonna charge or not. With the recording, I don't think it will. Maybe it will. All right, we'll take that out for now.
Papa Grove 725 Papa Golf in the downwind for 30 Papa Grove.
Papa Grove traffic 800 Mike Foxtrot, RV8 departing runway 30 at the south departure, Papa Grove. All right, all the lights are on, pitot heat's on, prop mixture both forward.
Caution. Caution. Caution.
Light controls are all good.
Message.
All right, power up. 1700, everything's in the green, oil pressure temp, here we go.
Papa Grove, Red Mike Strawberry, about a half mile north. Center midfield left downwind for 30 Papa Grove.
What are you out doing?
Taking Ty for a ride, except he fell asleep.
Love it.
Traffic.
Six Oscar Papa is fine on runway 3. Papa Grove traffic, Beach Metro 8226 Echoes, downwind 30 full stop.
Runway 27 for the localizer traffic and get a couple departures out if we can. Load.
Radar Mike Foxtrot final, runway 30, Papa Grove. Papa Grove, 800 Mike Foxtrot's clear of runway 30, Papa Grove.
Papa Grove traffic, Central 481 Golf on a left downwind for 30 Papa Grove.
Alright, now we'll do another takeoff in the pattern, but this time I'm going to leave the power cable in. See what the audio sounds like. See if it actually charges while we're flying.
Correct, 1 Golf is left base, runway 30, Papa Grove.
Can't tell if that's a 67% battery. Kind of looks like it. Alright, everything's forward. Papa Grove, traffic 800, Mike Foxtrot, departing runway 30, stay in the pattern. Papa Grove.
Papa Grove, Charlie, that's correct, 1 Golf is final, runway 30, Papa Grove.
Traffic.
With traffic Calico 197, Mike Charlie, departing runway 27, climbing 3,500 to the west, forward.
Goosebumps, top pressure's good. He's on the ground. Papa Grove, traffic 800, Mike Foxtrot, left downwind 30, Papa Grove. Alright guys, got the charging cable in on this one, as well as line in for the audio setting. We'll see what it looks like. Papa Grove, traffic 800, Mike Foxtrot's left base, runway 30, Papa Grove.
Seven secure 337 entering the left downwind runway 27 Lewis.
800, Mike Foxtrot, turning final 30, Papa Grove.
Left downwind runway 30 Papa.
Papa Grove, 800, Mike Foxtrot, clear 30, Papa Grove.